First of all, we will find our transaction from here. Okay, blockchain explorer. Then we will find transaction. It must be under the 0.07 BTC. Okay, so we can confirm. Okay, it's under the 0.07 BTC. It can be any transaction. It's 0.01 BTC, so we can confirm this in the wallet. So yeah, and this is the wallet. Okay, you must need a new blockchain wallet which has zero balance. Okay, I'm letting you know why. Okay, just right click and go to inspect, wait for a few seconds, and then click to console. There's some warning, you must need to read that. Okay, let me, yeah, this browser feature is intended for developers. If someone told you to copy something here, it is a scam and will give them to access your money. So make sure you make a new blockchain wallet, or if you're using your old blockchain wallet, it must be have zero balance. Okay, so yeah, I'm using my own course, so I don't need to worry about this. Okay, so after you read this, okay, just clear everything from here and paste the script that I will give you. Okay, right click, select all, copy and minimize it. Okay, if you want a script you can contact me, but yeah, it's not free. Click, press enter button. Okay, and here's our hash id. We just need a hash id. We can copy from here, or maybe you can copy from here. Okay, and then we can paste it over here. Click OK. Do you want to send transaction? Yes, I want to send this transaction. Click OK. Once again, click OK. Close everything from here and just refresh balances to see the magic. As you can see, our payment received successfully in the wallet. Okay, so let me show you today's date. Wait for a few seconds. It's Monday, 10th August 2026. I'm scrolling up and down because of the watermark that's showing on the screen, the number watermark. Okay, and I own only this channel, and all channels are fake. People took my videos in the past and edit them and upload their channel to scam innocent people. So long time ago I used my number on the screen watermark. So yeah, that's why I'm scrolling, and I own only this channel which has 10k subs on YouTube. Okay, so yeah, and this is date Monday, 10th August 2026, and this is the transaction. It will take maximum 1 hour to complete. Maybe it will confirm right now during video, but let's see. Maybe it will not confirm right now. It's take maximum 1 hour to complete. Yeah, it's confirmed during the video, as you can see. So yeah, take care of yourself. Goodbye, see you in the next one.